The biggest thing that I've seen with a lot of my clients that I've been working with is AI brain. When you become too logical in conversations, a couple of things happen. Number one is you start to kind of second guess yourself, judge yourself. So instead of asking a question, instead of saying that funny joke, you tend to get a little bit stifled. And what's happening is that what's coming in your brain is just your natural personality, your natural charisma, your natural confidence. That it needs to be expressed, but because we're so, it's so technical jargon that you're putting into Claude, you're putting into Perplexity, you're putting into ChatGPT, you're putting into Nano Banana, Gemini, all these different things. You have to be very specific, otherwise the apps don't work, that you're bringing that language into your conversations. So the way that I've definitely allowed myself to be able to get out of that, because there's a way that you can get out of that. Let me get a little bit more comfortable here. So one of the biggest things is allowing yourself in your day-to-day living to be a little bit more spontaneous. So I remember back in the day, what I would do was I would have a thought and I would go do it. I remember this time I was working at this female fashion store in this place, and there was this little ledge, and I was like, I wonder if I could swing on this and go through it. And it was like a big drop. Now, I'm not saying to do this, just saying what I did. And days after days after days, I would see this and I'd go, damn, I really want to do that. And then I started to get this idea of just saying yes to a few different things. So I said yes, and I did it, and I was thrilled, exhilarated. And this is where some people can have the same sort of feelings when they see a pretty girl and they want to go up and talk to her. Some people have the same feeling when they want to host that event. They go put the flyer out, right? They want to go to that new gym, that new cafe, that new restaurant, and they go do that. They get that same exhilaration because there's a natural kind of energy or a natural kind of direction in which your life and your body wants to go. And when you start to go into that stream of energy and you go with it, life feels a little bit easier. In a conversation, you have the same thing. There's a question that might come up, there's a statement, there's a joke, there's a natural topic that you want to go, there's that natural just let it out and let it flow, and we hold that back. And we hold that back for a couple of different reasons. It could be reputation, it could be that you don't want to be judged by the other person. Usually when it's with a pretty girl, you want her to like you, and so you're trying to manage an image of yourself. But what happens over time is that even if people do like you, even if people respect you, even if girls are attracted to you, as we got a few bits of construction, the biggest thing is that you are getting the person to like you based off the image that you're presenting. And that's what we call persona fatigue. You will get persona fatigue very, very, very hard. And that is something that not a lot of people know about, but it's that feeling of having to present yourself in such a way that is in a non-alignment with yourself. That can happen to anybody, anytime, any place. A lot of people in the 9 to 5 will find this in the corporate ladder of having to bite your tongue, will have to know of just not presenting yourself correctly, having to give the accolades to other people in the industries and not getting the rewards themselves. And that can be just something that's really frustrating, and you're not in alignment with your energy in that. So what I would say is that there are certain things that you can do. Ideas come up in your head, you're like, oh, wouldn't it be crazy to do a cold shower? You go do a cold shower. Oh, wouldn't it be crazy to go do that? Go do that. Wouldn't it be I should go, that'd be new, I've never done that before. Go do that. In alignment of this like spontaneity and then action taking is a quick time, you'll find that you are in that alignment with that slipstream of energy. This is in your conversation. You have a topic, you say it. You have a joke, you say it. You bring this up, you say it. Because I would much rather the person like you for who you are, even if there is going to be some discrepancies that some people are going to like you, some people are going to hate you, because at least that they're not liking the image that you're portraying, they're actually liking you as a person. Now that might, to some people, might be a bit weird. Now, for the younger, beginner people, sometimes you will have to put on a bit of a persona, because the actual version of you that's created into this habit of a guy that's not very likable or not very attractive to people, that will be something that you will have to fight with, because you're a beginner and your personality and your results have not shown that you are actually someone that gets these results. So you will have to do certain things that feel a little bit, but when you're, a little bit weird for you, but when you're an intermediate to advanced guy and your understanding and your personality is in alignment, is attractive, you have had good results, you will find that this is a bigger topic where you don't want people to like you just for the image that you're portraying, but like you for you as a genuine person. If you're a richer gentleman, that's going to be, you want people to like you, not just for the money or the lifestyle that you portray. That is a big thing, because some people can fall in love, some girls, some people could fall in love with your lifestyle, and they don't give a fuck about the man that is providing it, because the lifestyle is the thing that's really, gravitating them towards you. So there are some different things. Action taking and the ability to go after what you want and to say the things comes down to, that moment before you take a cold shower and then jumping in there. The moment of saying that thing that you're like, oh, I don't know if I'll say it. You get this ability of, it's like a sniper ability of finding that little bit of tension and going into it. Finding that tension, going into it. Finding tension, going into it. And you'll find that it will get better and better over time. And you will be able to allow yourself, because sometimes we just put a block there and it just hits. Some things get through, hits, some things get through. And you're curating this image, and that's not how you want to live your whole life.